In this AWS interview preparation guide, we are going to teach you all the essential things that you need to know in order for your AWS interview to go smoothly. We will be covering topics such as the different types of AWS interviews and what to expect, setting goals and preparing for questions, and creating a winning mindset. Finally, we will give you some tips on how to ace your AWS interview. So if you want to land your dream job with AWS, then make sure that you subscribe to our channel and start learning today. 1. What is the relation between the availability zone and region? AWS regions and availability zones are two different concepts that you will come across when interviewing for a job at AWS. The region is the geographical area where AWS operates its data centers, while the availability zone is an entity within the region that provides customers with enhanced availability and disaster recovery capabilities. 2. What is autoscaling? Autoscaling is a function that allows you to provision and launch new instances whenever there is a demand. It allows you to automatically increase or decrease resource capacity in relation to the demand. 3. What is geo-targeting in CloudFront? Geo-targeting allows you to serve content to specific locations within an AWS region or availability zone. For example, if you are a web application that is hosted on Amazon Web Services, and your users are located in the U.S. East, Northern Virginia region but you want to offer your users access to your website from anywhere in the world, then geo-targeting would help make this possible. 4. What is EC2 versus S3? EC2 stands for Elastic Compute Cloud and it refers to AWS's compute services. These services allow customers to launch virtual machines that can be used for a variety of purposes, such as developing software or running complex mathematical simulations. S3 stands for Storage Services and it refers to Amazon's storage offerings. These services allow you to store data in various formats, such as text files, and they offer customers a number of features that make it easy to manage your data. 5. What are the native AWS security logging capabilities? Most of the AWS services have their logging options. Also, some of them have an account-level logging, like in AWS CloudTrail, AWS Config, and others. 6. Name some of the AWS services that are not region-specific. AWS services that are not region-specific are IAM, Route 53, WAF, CloudFront. 7. What is CloudWatch? The Amazon CloudWatch has the following features. Depending on multiple metrics, it participates in triggering alarms. Helps in monitoring the AWS environments like CPU utilization, EC2, Amazon RDS instances, Amazon SQS, S3, Load Balancer, SNS, etc. 8. What are the different types of EC2 instances based on their costs? On-demand instance, spot instance, reserved instance. 9. What are key pairs in AWS? The key pairs are password-protected login credentials for the virtual machines that are used to prove our identity while connecting the Amazon EC2 instances. The key pairs are made up of a private key and a public key which lets us connect to the instances. 10. What is Snowball? To transfer terabytes of data outside and inside of the AWS environment, a small application called Snowball is used. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please share it with your friends.